Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt KICE Waterfall aspirator. Note this unit can be used in lab applications for small batches, and if you remove the bottom and set it up with a pipe, you can make this a continuous flow aspirator as well. This unit is very versatile. You can do large batches if you make it continuous. Again, you can do small batches with the cup, and it can be used for lab applications. This unit was disassembled, sandblasted, it was rewired. The motor was checked over by a certified motor technician. All of the mechanical systems on this unit have been gone over, checked over. All of the wear components have been checked over. We've got our metering crank here. That adjusts the opening of the gate, so you get the flow rate tailored perfectly to the needs of your crop. It has a counter that goes up or down depending on which way I crank the flow gate crank. This unit is very clean. Has these nice clear plexiglass sides so you can see what the product is doing as it falls through the baffles. We've got our cup here that slides on and off. Again, this unit is completely rebuilt. In a minute I will plug it in, fire it up so you can see it run. Just doing a walk around so you can see how clean it is. The bag that catches the chaff is brand new. It's very clean. All of the controls are free. Everything works as it should. This unit is very clean. Again, it has been completely rebuilt. Just doing a walk around so you can see how everything looks. It is a model 6D T4-1. All right, now we're going to fire it up so you can see it work. All right, we've got it plugged into our power source. Runs off of 110, has this nice long cord on it. If I hit the switch, it'll fire right up. Now I've opened up the gates and butterfly valves, so when I pull this up or push it down, it changes the air pressure, thus moving that magnehelic gauge. That gauge is used to adjust your airflow. Motor is humming right along. There are no irregular noises. Again, this is powered by single phase 110. It was completely rebuilt. This unit is in very nice condition. It's clean. I've got the gate open there, the butterfly valve. I can feel air coming over my hands when I move them in front of the ports. Hopefully you can hear that hissing. It's the sound of air coming right through these ports. It's being backed away by the fan. Now I've closed it off. You can see that that gauge is coming down. The air pressure is changing. Then if I open it, the magnehelic gauge will come back up and I can get it fine-tuned with this right here, this adjustment. You can see that the magnehelic gauge is coming down. Has a lot of adjustment. This allows you to get it fine-tuned to the needs of your crops. Again, this can be used in lab applications for small batches. And if you removed the cup and put a pipe on there to catch it, you could use it continuously as well. This is a really nice unit. Thank you for watching.